Ni kigomano kiria kiambiriirie umuthi mwena wa Naivasha county ya Nakuru. President William Ruto atongoria thure na rugamiriria honge itiganite cia thirikari ari kwaririria iguru rigie tabarira itiganite cia thirikari. Ambunge mekora makiorotwo ni President Ruto kumana na kwaga gukinyiria akenya uhoro wigie mieke ya mawira mao na thija ya bururi. Riu mieke eno ikiaga andu akomiyuria.
We advertised the other day for 2,500 nurses. We have only 500. And these are people who are going to earn 200,000 plus. It was advertised in the press, number one. Number two, Mimi, I have talked about this thing in every meeting. In every meeting, continuously. Sasa wewe wakati unaketi kwa hiyo mkutano hivi unasikia president huyu anasema iko nurses, wewe ujiulize kwa kichwa hii nurses, ukitoka hapo kwa hiyo mkutano si unaenda kutafuta mahali hiyo iko nurses, hawa nurses iko.
Kurigana na president atongoria ya matikoreto makirumirira miario yake niguo mamenyithia Kenya iguru ria mieke iria mangihuthira niguo kuguneka orire aingi ao magomeirwo ni thina wa wagi wa mawira.
I still see people here saying we are not aware. You are not aware. Sasa mnataka nifanye nini? Mnataka nisimame wapi? Nisimame niweke volume kiasi gani? You have constituents. They will take a lot of offense if they discover that there are opportunities. Imetangazwa everywhere and nobody has come for them.
Ogikaro-ini giki president ni athigatire bunge gukorwo ikinyanirie watho wa kuregwo gwa kigina kia waki wa nyumba ica ikuhe kuria watho uyu riwiranirwo gukorwo kihitukio gukinyiria gatagata-ini ka mweri ukite akenya makiendwo kwinyitia muthiorio na makiria.
It is not an invention. It is what it is.
And we get a new affordable housing bill before the next payroll. And usually many corporations, both private and public, process their payrolls after the 15th of the month.
Kurigana na president thirikari nekitiria wothe kwagiriire kuiguithia Kenya iguru rigi mubango uyu agicokera ciugo ciake cia ati no nginya watho uyu hituke kure kana kware.
We will implement the housing program. I don't want to say by whatever means possible. I have just said we will implement.
Those of us who campaigned for President William Ruto give the people of Kenya hope and assurance that he will transform this country and their lives. We therefore have a duty to make sure that President William Ruto and his administration must succeed.
Oho president na munini wake Rigathi Gachagua ni monekire kuruta mahiti ya bunge amwe aria makoretwo makimaruta mahiti ya kumana na gucerithirio gwa kigina kia NGCDF riu atongoria ya makiaga kuiganira na undu uyu guku makiuria bunge kugia na wetereri.
When the government led by our president has a few challenges in terms of availability of exchequer because of the challenges of revenue collection, we also want to ask our members likewise to extend the same magnanimity when the parliament is taking a decision on how to react when money is not available on time.
If you had any doubt that Kenya is going to change, I want to tell you that you just need to be patient and watch this space.
Hadu ni Kameme TV, leto rako ni Bataro wa Mwagi.